So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you want a complete backup of your WordPress website before making changes, here's how to save both your files and database from cPanel. Firstly, log into your hosting account and open cPanel. Go to phpMyAdmin, select your WordPress database, then click Export. Choose the quick method with SQL format and download the file. Now return to cPanel and open File Manager. Navigate to your WordPress folder, usually public HTML. Select all your WordPress files, click Compress, choose Zip Archive and click Create a Backup. Now download the zip archive to your computer and keep it together with SQL database file. And that's it, you now have a complete WordPress backup that you can use to restore or migrate your website anytime. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorials.